Hello and welcome to our podcast, Business Law Pro. My name is Anna Topowski and I'm a Miami business attorney, joined by my co-host, Kendron Jones, who is a compliance and regulatory specialist. On our podcast, we discuss latest regulatory and latest legal updates in the field of international business and technology. We talk about data privacy a lot, AI stuff, news developments, what's happening, what are the new trends, what you should watch out for, what you should know as a business owner or person who works in the technology field. So, without further ado, Kendron, what are the latest and greatest news for this episode?
Okay, we have privacy stuff for this episode. Google Analytics has been fined, I think, in Ireland? I want to say, I hope that's right. Anyways, basically, they're saying, the Irish authorities are saying that it violates GDPR and that it's sending data back to the United States in, contravention of the GDPR regulations.
For those of you who don't know, GDPR is a British law that basically is there in place to make sure that the data is not scraped by large companies or smaller companies and then being sold for unknown purposes. Now, GDPR has a lot of limitations, and it also requires a company to have special privacy data officer and provide that officer's information in their privacy policy outline. Privacy policy. But if actually Google Analytics has violated GDPR, there's just an ample opportunities for other companies, smaller companies, to do that, and not an opportunity in a good way, but something that we all should be concerned about. What were the limitations in this case? What did they state? What were the major concerns? Was it just the transfer of the of data?
Yeah.
From okay.
It was the transfer of the data from the European countries to the U.S. So that's part of it. It's like how you can use the data that you collect. You have to be transparent about what you're going to be using the data for. And yeah, they found that it was Google Analytics was violating that GDPR.
Yeah, you have to be very careful with your privacy policy, and if you have any questions about privacy policy, we are actually experts in working with privacy policy and making sure that your business is in compliance with the latest regulations, whether or not it's GDPR, whether or not it's California Privacy Act, and many other laws that are now in place in different states that talk about privacy policy and data transfers and data safety, so to speak. I'd like to.
Let's talk about the Illinois case then.
Let's
and then
do that.
We'll come back for the other one. So Illinois, like Anna was saying, there